On this episode of My Alabama Home, we're going to be sharing with you a recipe of one of our kids and their friends' absolute favorites, Salisbury sliders. This recipe requires basic pantry ingredients. This recipe makes 16 sliders. You will need 2 pounds ground beef, 2/3 cup breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon each of onion and garlic powder, 2 teaspoons yellow mustard, and 4 teaspoons ketchup. Mix the ingredients. Okay, next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a large cast iron skillet and heat this to medium high. And while this heats, I'm going to make out my patties. Fry 3 to 4 minutes on each side until brown. Okay, so now I'm going to make my brown gravy that goes over my Salisbury steak. Ours calls for 2 packs of brown gravy and 2 cups of water. Now we're going to put this into a 350-degree oven until it reaches around 160 to 165 or until no longer pink. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.